916 60th Street, Unit 103. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo. Front patio. And we're going to go floor by floor, starting with the second floor, which is fully carpeted, whereas the downstairs is vinyl with carpet in the lounge. This is the master bedroom with vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, and a great view from the balcony. We like to watch the Big Bay Boom on July 4th from here. Got the master bath right here. And then lots of storage in the hall, including a narrow and deep closet and these 2 very deep cabinets, as well as this crawl space up in the attic. This is the second full bath and the second bedroom. Okay, now for the first floor. We've scraped all the ceilings, so no more popcorn ceiling. We've got a hall closet and half bath. Kitchen with butcher block countertops and white cabinets. Dining room. And family room. These sliding glass doors are double pane, and we have some additional storage out on this balcony. Downstairs, we have a great little multi-purpose room that has been our pantry and laundry room and office space. And it's next to our 1-car garage. We also have additional storage here, roll-away bins.